Alright, spectator, look, I take this deck and now you name any cards, it's really free. Maybe your card Skinoclops. It's really free, it's not force. I take your Kinoclops and put in her like this. It's no break, no card control, yes? Look, I take my cards. My cards is Queen of Diamonds. And now snap my finger and my cards change your cards. It's really crazy effects, yes? So you remember my cards? My cards, Queen of Diamonds. It's really crazy. Yeah? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable card trick. Yes, guys, it's really crazy. It's really nice. It's really perfect sleight of hand move. It's really unbelievable. So, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Of course, maybe share this video your friend magician, why not? Maybe your friend really magician, why not? And now take this deck and teach this really crazy card trick. Look, 8 of hearts. 8 of hearts. Oh, I'm sorry, it's flash. Let's learn. Right, for this trick, spectator, name any cards. It's really free, it's not force. Because step number 1, it's control these cards. Look. You take this deck, you make a spread and cool one card. It's really one any cards. Maybe 10 of clubs, move it like this. Right? Look. One cards and cool these cards like this. Alright? It's really easy. Look, spectator, please name any cards. And now I take one random cards, move it like this. And spectator name any cards, maybe Queen of Spades. It's really free. It's really not force. Take these cards like this. And of course, Queen of Spades, second position, because this card, this is random cards, right? And now you squeeze this queen, turn over this pile, take this card spectator, of course, Queen of Spades here, and turn over and squeeze. Of course, you control this Queen of Spades, top of the deck. Alright, I repeat, make a spread, cool one cards, spectator name any cards, maybe Queen of Hearts, squeeze, turn over, take Queen of Hearts, and squeeze. Of course, Queen of Hearts here is this random cards, squeeze. Alright, this is step number 1. Step number 2, you make a switch these cards. And now you take 2 cards and turn over 2 cards like this, right? You make a double lift. You take 2 cards and turn over and show these 2 cards. It's really easy. Maybe you make 2 cards like this. Maybe make like this. Maybe take these 2 cards like this. It's really anywhere. You count 2 cards, turn over like this. And next step you take these cards, this finger like this, and now your right hand takes these 2 cards like this and show these 2 cards. And now you make a switch. Use this finger, take this 6 of hearts and slide the 6 of hearts bottom of the deck. And now you take these cards, as card spectator, Queen of Hearts, drop it like this. Right? Look, I repeat. Turn over 2 cards, show these cards, move it like this. And now you move it like this and drop it these cards. Alright? Look. I take 1 card, maybe this 6 of hearts, move it like this, show it these cards like this, and now you move it like this. Look. Drop it this deck, drop it these cards, snap your finger and show it this your cards change Queen of Hearts. It's really crazy. Of course, your cards here, right? And now you take this deck, and now you make a false swing cut. Use this finger, count little pile, and now you make a false swing cut. I repeat, count little pile and make a false swing cut, right? Maybe make any full shuffle. Of course, you control the 6 of hearts. And now you question your spectator, you remember my cards. And now you palmate these cards like this. Look, you move it like this, and now you move it this. It's really easy. Look, this finger move it like this, and now you take these cards, slide these cards like this, and this finger takes these cards and move it like this, and now you palm it your left hand like this, right? And now your left hand takes this your left pocket and turn over this 6 of hearts, right? I repeat, count little pile, make a swing cut. You remember my cards, alright? Move it like this, and take this 6 of hearts, my left pockets. So move it like this, move it like this, and take these cards, alright? Look, zhik, zhik, zhik. Alright, I repeat, look, zhik, zhik, zhik. Zhik, zhik, zhik. It's really crazy tricks. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.